And
What?
we're on.
Hi, YouTubers.
Hello, YouTubers. Are you watching porn? Are you watching girls kissing? No? Just me then.
He is disgusting.
We have just been through so much shit getting back home from the centre of the town today. It was pouring with rain since we got here. Maybe elements of sunshine there, but not lasting too long. Sure it wasn't?
No.
Today it pissed all day.
All day.
So
much so, we had to go and rent a DVD.
Yes.
That's all they had in the shop.
Yeah, I mean, they had that or Driving Miss Daisy. So we've seen Driving Miss Daisy.
This one.
All of us have seen Driving Miss Daisy. We had that one. There is some people you might know that are in that. I know a lot of people.
Filth. Anyway.
There was one particular one called Girls with Moustaches, which I quite liked. It was quite nice. It's like a Magnum PI thing, but only women. What do you think of the holiday so far?
It's been good. I'm thinking we need to go to Italy in the morning.
Italy tomorrow, because it's better weather. We have a motorhome, so we're free to travel.
Are you ready for this?
Yo, ready for this?
This is how it looks outside.
Yes.
You can't see the rain.
No. It's very light rain. No. It was raining heavily there.
But, no.
We've also had people complaining about the noise.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure the porno wasn't that loud, but
yes.
They weren't happy.
That's the background music. That's not loud, sure it's not. You can hear us perfectly. So
this is Gareth. This is the rest of our motorhome.
Drinking straight vodka.
This is one of the bedrooms. Imagine that. That is hardly a bedroom.
Yeah.
This is where I sleep. This is where I sleep.
And
not with me, by the way.
No.
This is the kitchen.
Yeah.
The kitchen.
It's the kitchen.
The toilet.
Is it that cupboard?
The fridge.
This up here is where.
No, I did the bed. I've done the bedroom.
Oh, yeah. Do where we keep our clothes, no?
I've done that.
Oh, you done it. Okay. So, if ever we're going to Italy tomorrow, because it's a place we've never been, and it might be warmer, and there might be more things happening. Well, now that fascism isn't rife in Italy, I don't know if there'll be a lot happening. I think we should have gone there in Mussolini's time. What do you think?
Well, you're old enough, I know.
So that's really it.
Bye.
Bye.